Hello buddies, it's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can use your fingerprint to unlock your Google Pixel 7. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to security. Then you go to Face and Fingerprint Unlock, tap to set up, and then first of all it asks you for your screen lock. And in the last video, I showed you how you can set up a screen lock. Then we put in your PIN, your password, your pattern to get to this part here. Now you can choose between your face to unlock the phone or the fingerprint to unlock your phone. We're gonna go with the fingerprint, but you can also use your face. You can use both ways, whatever you like. Choose as many options as you want to unlock your phone. Totally up to you. I'm gonna go with the fingerprint right now, and then it shows us how it works. Use your fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify it's you, like when you sign into apps or approve a purchase. So here you find more information, and then you can click on no thanks to go back or yes I agree. And then how to set up your fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor is on your screen. You'll capture your fingerprint on the next screen. Okay, start, and then touch and hold the fingerprint sensor. Keep your fingerprint flat on the sensor until you feel vibration. So we do that. Lift and touch again. Change the position of your finger slightly each time. Place the tip of your finger on the sensor. Now the side. The other side. Okay, fingerprint is added. Fingerprint unlock improves the more you use it to unlock your phone or verify it's you in apps. Then you click on done. You can add a fingerprint here. You can add just one more finger or all your fingers, totally up to you. You can also change the name of the finger print here. So you can name it like thumb or whatever you name your fingers. And then click on OK again. If you want to delete a fingerprint, you can just click on that little trash can symbol here. Then it will delete your fingerprint. And if you now go back and lock your phone and then unlock it, you can click on that symbol here with your fingerprint, and now the phone is unlocked. That's how you set up a fingerprint to unlock your Google Pixel 7. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.